Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this organic gluten-free carrot cake, and that's the ingredients there. It's got coconut milk, it's vegan, and let's open this up and do a quick taste of this. This is at the Copper Branch, and let's do a quick taste test here. Alright guys, here we go, quick taste test right now. There you go. Okay, that is actually quite good. Okay, it's got a lot of flavor of the carrot. The top is, it's not icing. You don't taste icing sugar. It's very good. It's very soft, tender, and very moist. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, and subscribe to the channel.